Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my stocks and shares and crypto with you guys as well. Woohoo! I've reached 500 subscribers. Thank you very much for all my supporters. And I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of my subscribers. I really appreciate your support and I really appreciate you tuning into my channel. And I hope you are receiving a lot of good value on this channel. And guys, please don't forget to hit that like button to show your continued support. There's a lot of you that have been on this journey from the start and a few that's joined me on the way, and I've seen the support I've been receiving from a lot of you guys and I really appreciate that. I'll be sharing with you guys a few tips that I've been using over the last few months to get my 500 subscribers, and I'll be sharing those with you, so hopefully you can use some of these tips to help your channel to grow as well. Now, the first tip I want to talk to you guys about is consistency. And consistency is very important for the YouTube algorithm, as this will help your videos get more reach. Because of consistency, your videos will start turning up in more recommended videos. When people are looking at something in your niche, videos will start popping up on the recommendation to watch next. And you will also get higher in the search ranking when people are looking for certain keywords. The next tip is to go searching for other YouTubers in your niche and have a look at smaller YouTubers and try and support their channels. In return, they will come and have a look at your videos. If they like your videos, they will come and support your channel as well. And this is a great way to support each other's channel, and that way you will both grow. And not only that, you might actually find a lot of small YouTubers that you like their content as well. The next tip is to share as far and wide as possible. There's a lot of group on Facebook where you can share your videos, giving people more information about your channel and your videos. And you can also post on Instagram if you've got that. Share your videos far and wide, as this will help you grow your audience, because a lot of people out there might be looking for your content but don't know you exist. So sharing it will help them to find you. And the next important thing you always have to remember in all your videos is to ask your audience to smash that like button so it turns blue, as this will help me with the YouTube algorithm, and it will help you with your YouTube algorithm as well, as the more likes you get, the more YouTube think that your video is of great content, and it will start sharing your video with a bigger audience. But also remember to tell them to subscribe to the channel so they don't miss out on any of your new videos. I'm sure you guys know about that little block where you put in your keywords when you're editing all your information for your description and all of that. Now, that used to be very important to get your videos out there. Unfortunately, YouTube has decided those are not useful anymore, except when they translate your wording into text. But if you've got a great selection of keywords that's in there, a great idea is to try and get as many of those keywords into your content on your video, as YouTube is using what you're discussing as your keyword search engine. So if you can get as much of those keywords into your video, this will help you to get more views as well when they are searching for specific keywords. But I do still think filling those keywords in is important, as those keywords can still help Google and all the other search engines to find your video. So it's a great idea to do both of those if it's possible. Now, the biggest and most important tip of all, in my opinion, is having a look at your niche and deciding what it is you want to talk about and making sure your content is good. Because if your content is not good, you won't get any subscribers, and you won't have anyone coming back to view your videos that has viewed your videos once. Because your content is there for your audience so they can learn from you, or they can just come and enjoy your channel if it's more of an entertainment. It all depends on your audience and what it is you are sharing with your audience, but content is really important if you want to grow your channel. So the last tip I would like to share with you guys is, if for any reason you ever click on your own video, please make sure you watch that video to the end, because even if you click on your video and click off, that shows YouTube that it's a very short view time, and you would rather try and get a lot more full views. So even if you click on your video, please make sure you've watched the video all the way to the end to help yourself to get more full-time views. And not to sabotage your own channel by not watching the videos to the end or clicking off after 2 to 3 seconds, because this will tell YouTube that the video is not very interesting and this will not be very helpful for your channel. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.